So we started with prepping the skin. First of all, it is a very important step if you are looking for a flawless base and glowy makeup. So this was really important. So firstly, I have used my Dot & Key moisturizer, and over that I am using the same brand sunscreen. It's the Dot & Key sunscreen. It makes you look super glowy, super pretty, and yeah, it gives you such a natural glow. After that, it's time for my K Beauty illuminating primer drops. You can also mix it up with your foundation or your moisturizer, but this is the product that gives you the most glowy look. Then comes the concealer. I have to hide my huge dark circles. I am mostly sleep deprived, guys. So yeah, blending concealer with my hands because brushes don't work for me. Setting the concealer with some compact powder. Here's the Maybelline foundation. Time for foundation, guys. And for foundation, I don't really use a lot of amount. I believe in less is more policy when it comes to foundation, so I literally use drop wise on every part of my face, and then just blend it out with my fingers. I was looking for a very natural dewy look because the whole function was in broad daylight and I did not go for too glam of a look. Then comes the eyes, and I have used the same nude eyeshadow from my Nykaa's palette. This is my go-to shade for eyes. I literally use this shade every damn time. I love it. After that, it was time for kajal, and I'm not a huge kajal person, so I am clearly struggling. You can clearly see me struggling in putting the kajal on. I don't even know how do you put it correctly. So yeah, somehow I managed to get it on my eyes. And oh my god, my eyes get really watery when I use a kajal, but I somehow got it done. After the kajal, it was time for eyeliner, and I'm not a huge eyeliner person as well, but well, I can make some exceptions. After successfully putting on equal eyeliner, it was time for curling the lashes. I have recently discovered that this is also something that everybody does. So I just tried curling my lashes, and honestly it makes a difference. Kinda, yes, but not like a huge difference, but something. To top it up with some mascara, and I used some generous amount of mascara because I wanted big lashes. So yeah, this is the Maybelline mascara. It's really perfect. It has two different sides and both of them work really good for me. So this is my favorite mascara ever. Gives me really long voluminous lashes. I'm literally talking all this while with my mom. Like, I can't stop talking at all. Forgive me for that. Time for blush. I'm using the Blue Heavens blush stick. This has become my go-to blush stick because it is so pigmented, so glowy. I just love it. It's beautiful. It's so blendable, just perfect. After the blush, we're almost done and it's time for lipstick. So I'm using the Maybelline Sensational lipstick. It's a pink nude shade. And I'm done with my makeup. Time for setting the makeup, and with that our makeup is done. I wanted a very glowy pink makeup look and I got that. So yeah, I was pretty satisfied with the look. I looked super pretty. So my sari inspiration was this really pretty pastel sari that I saw on Shraddha Kapoor. So yeah, I got the same sari from the brand Zaira. Is it called? I'll mention the brand. Such a gorgeous sari, guys. Are you even ready for it? Like, after this I went to the salon to get my hair done, and this bhaiya was really good at his job because he literally didn't like less than 30 minutes and it turned out amazing. I got loose curls done. This was the highlight of my day, guys. Like, two girls just came up to me and they said that you look like such an angel, you look such pretty and everything. They just complimented me so much, and that was honestly the best part of the day. They literally made my day. It was amazing. Then we went to Humayun's tomb to get some pictures clicked, and there was nobody in there at that time because it was like really hot and humid at that time. It was really hot and humid. So good part about that is that we got such pretty pictures clicked over there. Like, look at that video. And I got really pretty pictures clicked here. Have a look. After the pictures and everything were done, I went to my college, and there was the whole celebration going on. There were people, everybody was looking pretty. It was really hot to be there, and it got really hectic, you know. I got really low of energy and I couldn't really vlog a lot, but I vlogged it in bits and pieces here and there. So yeah, this is all the celebration. These were some performances and stuff going on, and yeah, I think that was all about the farewell vlog. So thank you so much, guys, for watching it. If you liked it, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more such content, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.